Acids are compounds that will dissociate and produce H plus in solution. There are only two types of acids, strong acids and weak acids. There are 7 strong acids listed here, and every other acid is known as a weak acid. In order for protons to dissociate, in strong acids, the reaction is heavily product favored, meaning a lot of hydrogen ions are made, and so there's no real Ka. With weak acids, however, the reaction does not produce that many H plus ions, so the majority of the acid doesn't actually even dissociate, and so our Ka is shown right here, and typically the Ka is less than 1 for weak acids. To minimize the effect of drastically changing pHs, we use Le Chatelier's principle, and we make use of buffer solutions, which we will now talk about. Buffer solution is a solution that resists changes in pH when limited amounts of acids or bases are added, and it consists of either a weak acid and its conjugate base, or a weak base and its conjugate acid. As you can see in this buffer solution, we have a weak acid and its conjugate base. If we add a strong base, the HA gives up its H plus to neutralize the OH minus added into the water and its conjugate base, and so the pH shifts only very slightly. If we add a strong acid, the conjugate base reacts with the H plus from the acid, so the acid doesn't dissociate and produce hydrogen ions, and so the pH shifts only very slightly.